Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's daily LeetCode question is height checker. So a school is trying to take an annual photo of all the students. So they are asked to stand in a single line. So which is a non-decreasing order, means increasing order. So they have to stand in an increasing order by the height. So we are given an heights array representing the current order of the students which they are standing. So we have to check if every student is standing at the right position or wrong. Mean is the array is strictly in the decreasing order, increasing order or not. So let's look into an example to understand this problem. So we have to return how many number of students are not standing in the appropriate position. Let's look at the example one. So we are given heights array 1, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3. So these are the heights and this is the expected height because this is in the increasing order and this is the current position of the student. So if we compare these both arrays, we can say that this person, this person, uh, no, not two, fourth person, this person, and this person is not standing in their appropriate positions. Means we have to return the count of three. So let's look at the second example. Right. The heights, the given height array is this, and the expected height array is this. So if you compare these both arrays, you can see that fifth person is not standing in the appropriate positions. One, two, three, four. So all of members are not standing in their appropriate positions. So we have to return five. So same likewise, heights array is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is initially sorted in ascending order. So we have to return 0. I hope you understand the question. Let's look into the intuition part. Okay guys, welcome to the intuition part. So let this will be our heights array. So what we have to do is we have to create another array at expected. So with the same size of the heights array, we have to create another array expected. So initially we have to copy the all the elements into this array, which is 1, 1, 4, 2, 1, and 3. So if we copy this and we have to sort this array. After sorting of this array, it will look like 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So after the sorting of this array, it will look like this. So if we compare these both array and if the element is mismatched, suppose the zeroth index of height is matching with zeroth index of expected array. Yes, true. The one index of this array is matching with one index of this array. True. Fourth index of this array is not matching with the second index of this array. So we have to increment our count. So here we have to increment our count. So if we compare these both arrays, then we can get out of how many students are not standing in their appropriate positions. Okay guys, this is our intuition and approach video. Let's look into a dry run part. Okay guys, let's look into the dry run part. First we will declare a variable incorrect to keep track of the numbers, where they are not standing in their appropriate position. Okay guys. So initially we have to create another new array which is which will be expected array and the sorting order of the heights array. So initially we have to copy the heights array as is. So if we sort this array, then our array will be like 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is our expected array of the actual position of the students which they are expected to stand, and this is our actual current position of the students. So we will compare these both arrays. We will compare these both arrays and we will increment our count if the values are not matching. So 0th index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index, and 5 index. So let's look at the 0th index index. So the expected position is 1 and the standing position height is 1. So they are matching. So we don't have to increment the count. The expected engine's position is 1 and the standing position is 1. So we don't have to increment the count. The expected position is 1, but the person standing, his height is 4. Here you can see that the both heights are mismatched. So we have to increment the count to 1. And like that. The expected height is 2, but the person is standing here is 2. So we don't have to increment the count. The expected height is 3, but the person standing in that position is 1. So increment the count. The person expected is 4, but the person standing in that position is 3. So the increment, the answer will be 3. So the end of the array, the answer will be 3. So the time and space complexity of this program is n log n. We are traversing the array single time, but you may ask that how the time complexity will be n log n. The short method takes the time complexity of n log n. So our program time complexity will be n log n. And the space complexity will be big O of n because we are creating another array to keep track of the expected positions. Now let's look into the code explanation. Now let's look at the code explanation. So initially we have to create an incorrect variable. Initially is 0 and the size of the array. So we have to create a new array and we have to copy our heights to that expected array and sort that expected array. So this position we have discussed earlier, how these steps will be executed, and compare our heights array and the sorted array. So if the positions are not matching, so then just increment the incorrect position and return this. I hope you understand the intuition and approach video of the part. If you have any doubts regarding this question, please do comment. Thank you.